Hi guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux version 24 LTS on Windows using VirtualBox. First, head over to this website, ubuntu.com/download/desktop. And in this video, we'll be downloading Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. Simply click the download button here, and it will automatically start the download. While the Ubuntu download is in progress, let's move on to download VirtualBox. Go to this link, virtualbox.org. Simply click download button and select the version that matches your operating system. Since I'm using Windows 11, I'm going to download the Windows version. Once the VirtualBox is done downloading, we can now install the VirtualBox. Now click Next. Just accept the license agreement. Next. Yes. Click Yes. Click Next. And install. Now just wait for it to install. Now just simply click Finish to start the VirtualBox. Now we're on the VirtualBox Manager. Click New. On the VM name, this is your virtual machine name. I will just name it Linux. On the VM folder, this is where you want to save the virtual machine files. I leave it as the default folder for now. Then, select the ISO image you downloaded earlier from the Ubuntu website. You'll notice that VirtualBox automatically detects the Ubuntu 64-bit version, and it sets the type to Linux. Now, click Next. Here, you'll set up your user account. Enter username and password and repeat the password for confirmation. You can leave the host name field as a default and then click Next. For base memory, this is how much RAM you want to allocate to the virtual machine. I recommend using as much as RAM as you can, but avoid pushing it into the red zone. Allocating too much RAM can slow your PC, and I'm going to just locate it 9 GB of RAM. Next, choose the CPU cores you want to assign. This depends on how many CPU cores your computer has. Mine has 8, and I will just going to allocate it to 3. And for storage, I recommend setting it for at least 30 GB of storage for your virtual machine. And click Next, and then Finish. Once done, your virtual machine will start up and power on. Click on your username and enter your password. And that's it! You've successfully installed Ubuntu 24 LTS on your computer using VirtualBox.